friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the SafeMoon. Absolutely, SafeMoon is one of the best cryptocurrencies and very fastest moving cryptocurrencies, as you can see here, very fastly growing in the market, the SafeMoon. And now the positive changes is still the price changes occur in the SafeMoon as positive friends. So I really appreciate SafeMoon to invest especially for my viewers. I suggest that please invest in a SafeMoon friends. Anyways, but before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Subscribe is very important for all of you because any type of updates you found on this channel friends. Anyways friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. Let me show you friends that when will be the price of the SafeMoon increase friends. The current price of the SafeMoon in the market is 0.0006 USD dollar friends. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the SafeMoon, so absolutely the price changes goes better in this time in the SafeMoon. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day pricing is going positive friends. Except of these last 1 day and last 1 hour, the last 1 week pricing is still negative friends. Let me show you friends, very soon the last 1 week pricings will become positive. Don't worry about this. Absolutely, in the last 12 hours, the price taken a very highly jump, a very quick jump, especially SafeMoon. As you can see here, at this time, a very big jumps occur in the SafeMoon, and now after this this jump again fast down SafeMoon for a little time. But now, if we look the current condition of the SafeMoon, so I think they are again ready for the jump, and now the big pump of the SafeMoon are coming soon. That is why I'm very happy today to see the price changes occur in the SafeMoon friends. Now the big jump of the SafeMoon starts now, and once again the SafeMoon are ready for the moon friends. So be ready for the moon. We are going to the moon friends. Now the SafeMoon are going to hit a 0.01 USD dollar very soon in this week, and very soon in the next year they can easily hit a 2 USD dollar friends. What do you think, they can hit a 2 USD dollar? And the next year or not friends? I think that they can easily hit a 2 USD dollar in 2022 friends. And 2021 they can hit a 1 USD dollar, and 2022 they can easily hit a 2 USD dollar friends. As you can see here, the 24 hours price changes occur in the SafeMoon as positive 14.59%. In the highest price is 0.00007 USD dollar is the highest price of the SafeMoon in the last 1 day friends. So my prediction about SafeMoon is 100% positive, and I believe that the big jump of the SafeMoon are coming soon. That is why I suggest for my viewers, especially for my subscribers, those who's holding SafeMoon at this time, so please, it's time to hold, not to sell. Don't do this mistake and don't sell SafeMoon before 2022 friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel friends.